I am going to show you how to do the knit stitch. I will begin with my cast on row. I cast on 20 stitches. I will take my right needle and I will insert it into the first stitch in between the first and second stitch. Go in through the first stitch, take your working yarn, leaving your tail alone, and wrap it under and then over your right needle, pulling that working yarn through that stitch, and then drop that stitch off the left needle. Again, we'll go now through the second stitch. You can always give a little tug of your working yarn, wrap it around from under and over, and pull that stitch through. Then drop your second stitch off the left needle. Third stitch, go through the stitch, under and over the right needle, and pull through the stitch and drop off the needle. Again, through, wrap your yarn around, pull through the stitch, drop off the needle. Wrap that around, pull through, drop. And keep working this until you get to the end of the row. I'm fast forwarding to the end to show you how to finish off the knit row. All right, now I'm getting to the end of my left needle. I've got 3 stitches left, and I'm going to keep knitting until the end. And just hold on to that stitch and go through. And then give a tug. And then that is your first knit row. To learn how to cast on using the long tail method, click the link below in the description. Also, I have patterns available on my website at thekikigallery.com. If you like this tutorial, check out my other videos on my channel. Links to the items I used are in the description below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.